Hello everyone! Today, let's create glowing, lifted skin with a dry massage. This ritual relieves puffiness and restores your radiance. The main rule, your face must be perfectly clean and absolutely dry. No water or cream right now. Tie back your hair, open your neck, and let's begin our renewal. Make a light upward stroke with the brush, starting from the shoulder and ending near the ear. Do a gentle wiggle at the end of the movement to relieve tension. Repeat this 5 times.
Who taught you that being you was something you had to fix? Who planted that tiny sting that grew?
Repeat on the other side.
Love yourself out loud. Turn that whisper to a shout. Stand up in your own skin like you finally moved in. Love yourself right here. Every scar, every fear, you're the one you.
Do the same starting from the collarbone.
So love yourself out loud. Love yourself out loud. You say I'm okay, then
Repeat on the other side.
the floor. Compare your story to a stranger at a store. But they don't know the weight that you've carried on your back. How you turned every goodbye into one more comeback.
Place 2 fingers on your chin for support. Lay the tool against your skin and glide upwards. Remember, your movements should always be directed upward for a face-lifting effect.
Love yourself out loud. Turn that whisper to a shout. Stand up in your own
Switch
skin
sides.
like finally moved in. Love yourself right here. Every scar, every fear, you're the one you've been waiting for. So love yourself, love. Start small, one breath, one.
Place your fingers near your nose for gentle support. Lay the tool against your skin and glide upwards, finishing with a light drainage motion at the temple.
Not broken, just unfolding. Watch your own heart open wide.
Switch sides.
Love yourself out.
Place your fingers between your eyebrows. Place the tool on your brow and glide upwards to the hairline, finishing with a gentle wiggle. Switch sides. Now gently go over your entire forehead with light strokes.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. I like what I see. Big or small, it's all me. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Shake it out. My body.
Let's finish our massage with a lymphatic drainage movement.
My body, alright.
Thank yourself for taking this time for you. Love yourself.
Said